Hello students, in previous video we have seen the information about sexual reproduction and त्याच्या आधी आपण asexual reproduction हा पॉइंट कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. See what happen in sexual reproduction, what is the process involved in the sexual reproduction, what actual there is a involvement of gametes or not. This all information we have seen in previous video. Means we have completed sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. These are 2 points. See, asexual reproduction have mainly 2 types. First one is the asexual reproduction in multicellular organism, asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. These again divided into various types, and sexual reproduction is mainly divided into 2 types. First one is the sexual reproduction in plants and another one is the sexual reproduction in human being. See, आपण सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन आणि असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनचा पूर्णपणे डिटेल स्टडी केलेला आहे. कालच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनची आपण माहिती घेतलेली आहे. ॲक्च्युली त्याच्यामध्ये होतं काय, प्रोसेस कशी असते, फक्त त्याची आपण काय बघितलेली आहे, जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन बघितलेली आहे. इन दिस व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न व्हॉट इज द मेन डिफरन्स बिटवीन सेक्शुअल अँड असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. पहा, एक्झाममध्ये तुम्हाला हे फरक 2 किंवा 3 मार्काला विचारला जाऊ शकतो. पहा, सी इन दिस व्हिडिओ वी आर लर्न अबाउट डिफरन्स बिटवीन asexual and sexual reproduction. See, first one is the sexual reproduction and another one is the first one is the asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? What is the definition of asexual reproduction? See, the reproduction occur without involvement of gamete. That kind of reproduction is called as asexual reproduction. Okay, so first point here we can write the reproduction occur without involvement of gametes. Without the involvement of gametes. Okay, in sexual reproduction what we can write, here is this require main 2 process. Which main 2 process? First one is the gamete formation and another one is the fertilization. So in this we can write the point number 1, the reproduction which occur with the help of gametes, or the reproduction which involves involvement of gametes called as sexual reproduction. Okay, number 2, what is the first point? The reproduction occur without the involvement of gamete. See, in this reproduction there is no involvement of gamete, therefore the new organism has exact similarity with the reproducing organism. पहा, याच्यामध्ये युग्मक निर्मिती होत नाही, त्यामुळे काय होतं, जो नवजात सजीव तयार झालेला आहे तो तंतोतंत कोणासारखा असतो, मूळ सजीवासारखा असतो. सो पॉइंट नंबर 1, new organism has exact similarity with reproducing organism. See, in sexual reproduction point number 2 is opposite to this. Here is the involvement of gamete takes place, therefore here what we can write, we can write point number 2, the new organism is genetically different from काय म्हणूयात, is a genetically different from reproducing organism. See, in asexual reproduction, point number 3, asexual reproduction. What is the advantage of the asexual reproduction? काय बघितलेलं होतं आपण? तर the advantage of asexual reproduction is it is a very fast process reproduction. Fast process reproduction. इकडे काय लिहिणार आहे आपण? ह्याचा जो ॲडव्हान्टेज आहे हा ह्याचा काय आहे? ड्रॉबॅक आहे. सो हिअर इज दी, वी कॅन राईट दी स्लो प्रोसेस reproduction. Point number 4, in asexual reproduction. See, I already told you the asexual reproduction is happen or is occur mitotically or amitotically. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, तर मायटोसिस होतं. दी asexual reproduction occur mitotically or meiotically. Sorry, mitotically or amitotically. Sexual reproduction occur with the help of meiotically. Sexual reproduction occur or cell divides with the help of meiosis. Therefore, sexual reproduction occur meiotically. See, in asexual reproduction, here is the mitosis takes place. Therefore, we can write the point number 5 is asexual reproduction is performed by or occur with the help of somatic cell. The asexual reproduction performed by or performed by somatic cell. Somatic cell means body cell. Okay. Point number 5, in sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction is occur with the help of germ cells. The sexual reproduction occur with the help of germ cell. See, in asexual reproduction there is a no involvement of union of two different gametes. Here is the no union of or involvement of two different gametes. In sexual reproduction, there is a involvement of or there is a union of two different gametes. In sexual reproduction, involvement of or union of two different gametes takes place. Which two different gametes? बघा आठवतंय का? First one is the male gamete and another one is the female gamete. point. See, there are different types of asexual reproduction. कोणकोणते बघितले पहा. फर्स्ट वन इज दी बायनरी फिजन, देन मल्टिपल फिजन, देन budding, and types of asexual reproduction occur in multicellular organism. Means which type? See, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative propagation and spore formation. And here is the काय लिहिणार आहे आपण. पॉईंट नंबर 7, सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ऑकर ओनली इन ह्यूमन अँड प्लांट. रिप्रोडक्शन ऑकर इन ह्यूमन बीइंग अँड प्लांट्स. See, and last point in asexual reproduction, point number 8, that is the drawback of asexual reproduction is genetic recombination. Drawback is genetic recombination. आता पहा, इकडे आपण काय लिहिलंय, हा ड्रॉबॅक म्हणून लिहिलाय. इकडे काय लिहूयात, हा ॲडव्हान्टेज लिहूया. दी ॲडव्हान्टेज ऑफ सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इज जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन. अशा पद्धतीनं आपण काय सांगू शकतो, ह्या दोघांमधला डिफरन्स. सी, द डिफरन्स बिटवीन asexual and sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, first point is the reproduction occur without the involvement of gametes. In this, involvement of gamete takes place. See here, new organism has exact similarity with the reproducing organism. New organism has, बरोबर, new organism is genetically different from reproducing organism. Third one is the asexual reproduction is fast process reproduction. Sexual reproduction is slow process reproduction. Fourth one is the asexual reproduction occur mitotically or amitotically. Sexual reproduction occur meiotically. See, the asexual reproduction performed by which cell? Somatic cell. And the sexual reproduction is performed by which cell? Germ cell. See, in asexual reproduction there is a no involvement of two different gametes, or there is a no union of two different gametes. In sexual reproduction there is a involvement or union of two different gametes, that is nothing but the male gamete combined with a female gamete. See, there are different types of asexual reproduction. We have already seen binary fission, multiple fission, budding, and the types occur in the multicellular organism. Okay, and the main type of sexual reproduction is sexual reproduction occur in human being and plants. And last one, the drawback of asexual reproduction is genetic recombination. Asexual reproduction चा जो काही ड्रॉबॅक आहे तोच सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनचा काय आहे, ॲडव्हान्टेज आहे. काय आहे, जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन. या जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशनमुळे काय होतं, तर आपल्याला लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये डायव्हर्सिटी किंवा विविधता पाहायला मिळते. अशा पद्धतीने आज काय आपण बघितलेलं आहे, डिफरन्स बिटवीन सेक्शुअल अँड असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. थँक्यू.